For today's video, I'm going to show you my version of pork siomai. In a mixing bowl, combine ground pork, finely chopped onion, finely chopped carrots, spring onion, salt and pepper to taste, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and 1 large egg. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Scoop 1 tablespoon of the mixture into a siomai wrapper and gently press to seal. In a medium-high heat, steam siomai for around 25 to 30 minutes. And it's ready to serve. Dip with your favorite sauce. Thanks for watching!